We, in 2007, expanded coverage and partnered with small businesses because, as I mentioned, we believe the small business is big business. Small businesses employ more Marylanders than any other type of employer or sector in our state. We also recognize that small businesses struggle, as do families, in providing health coverage to their employees. In conversations that I've had with small business owners, when you talk about the cost of doing business, the biggest driver for many of them, one that they struggle with the most, is providing quality health coverage and affordable coverage to their employees. So the tax credits provided by the Affordable Care Act will help small businesses in Maryland and around the country gain access to more affordable coverage for their employees. Starting this year, businesses with fewer than 25 workers whose average wage is less than $50,000 will be eligible to receive a tax credit up to 35% for the cost of that health insurance that they provide to their employees.
Is that when we started this health reform effort in Washington, the needs of small business was not an afterthought. It was a centerpiece. It was a key motivator behind the health reform, trying to make it easier for small businesses. When I go out and I talk to small businesses in my district, there's two things that they tell you about. One is access to credit and the difficulties of that. We're working on that. The other is the difficulty of affording health care coverage. Of the 40 to 45 million Americans who do not have health care coverage, it's estimated that about 60% of those are small business owners and their employees. So if you're expanding coverage for the country, you have to focus on small businesses, because that's where a lot of the people who lack coverage are working.
It's difficult to operate a small business and a mid-sized business in the country's down economy, but we desperately needed this relief. My company has full health care coverage for its employees, and we're taking advantage of all of the tax breaks that are available to us because we are saving money on our bottom line. We have recently hired cutting-edge producers, and just 2 days ago we interviewed for another part-timer employee that will be able to help us improve our product. And it's because we're saving money. I believe small businesses are the backbone of this country. The bottom line, no doubt, it matters. And we need to save money. So these tax breaks are necessary in order to ensure that businesses around the country have the support that is necessary to forward forward. So we thank you for all that you do, all that you have done to help us grow our businesses, because we need it.
From the very start of our business, we felt that it was important to us to provide health care insurance to our employees. We simply felt it was our obligation as an employer. These measures, which I must confess I didn't know about, I was completely unaware until Maryland Healthcare for All, and Brooke from that office called me, which only goes to prove how important this initiative is. These measures will help us to do the right thing. And I believe that most small businesses feel the same way. Sadly, many of us can't afford to always do the right thing. The cost of insuring one of our employees has almost doubled in the last 10 years. It's encouraging to see government, both federal and state, working and thinking about how to make life easier for small businesses. And hopefully, if this initiative proves successful, government will see that they can initiate positive change through small businesses.